11-inch, the Beats wireless, and the Apple Pencil. What's up guys, it's your girl Charlotte here, back with another video. In this video we're going to be unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch, the Beats, and the Apple Pencil. Got student discount on all this, so the Beats were free. So let's get started. We got free Beats right here. So right here I got the blue, white, and red headphones. So we're going to open this first. I would do the satisfying stuff, but so got that. Now, how do I open this? Oh, that's so cool. I never had Beats in my life, just saying. Change the way you hear sound. So, let's see if there's anything else in here first. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little clip. And here is what you use to charge your headphones. Okay. This is exciting. Oh my god, this is so cool. Da, 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 da. So the right side, which is this, you charge your headphones, and over here you could change, like, press the call, put the volume up, all that. How does it show this, but it doesn't have like an extra cable? Yo, this is so cool. Look at that. This is like noise canceling headphones because I can't really hear anything that much. This is the second generation Apple Pencil. So here we got instruction manuals, got the typical stuff. Let's see here, you have stickers. Now just the manuals and everything. No one really looks at that. Oh my god, it feels so... For a second I thought they were like dents in this, because do you see this? Do you see this? I thought they were dents for a second, but they're not, they're plastic. Oh my god, this feels... Let me tell you right ahead, there is an option for free engravings on both the Apple Pencil and the iPad Pro if you order online and have it delivered to you. But I just couldn't wait. I could not wait. I was so excited to get both of them. So I just bought it in store. Well, I ordered it and then picked it up in store today. So yeah, it feels like an actual like pen. Yo, this is so cool. Now time for the thing, the item that we've been mainly waiting for, the 11-inch 2018 iPad Pro. I'm so excited. Okay. That is so smooth. Yo, this feels so nice. This is my baby, yo. Oh my god, I gave birth to you. I ordered you and I got you. Now, let me tell you right now, I did a bunch of research on this iPad Pro for 3 months, making sure it's the right thing to get as a replacement as a college laptop, because a laptop is not gonna fit my bag. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, the iPad Pro 2018. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna see what's in this first. Oh, it can show itself. You got the charging port. Look at that. Then we have the charging cable, USB thing. What's in this? Okay, ooh, we got the Apple stickers, yes, and we got a manual. Yo, this is so cool. It's opening. Oh yeah, there's no home button. Oh my god, I totally forgot. I'll set manually. Yeah, I guess. So I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi. Continue. Oh, Face ID. Okay, cool. I never had a phone that has Face ID, so we're gonna do Face ID right now. Okay, ready? Continue. Okay. Get started. That's so cool. Okay, continue. Reposition your face. That's so cool. I'm gonna set up as a new iPad, guys. Okay, so we got terms and conditions. No one reads that, so we're gonna agree. I'm gonna put my AC on because I am sweating. Okay, so add cards and set up that later. Okay, continue. Oh, that's so cool. This is basically like a big version of the newest iPhones. Okay, I've seen that. This is basically, I'm showing you guys what you can do with it. I don't have to explain myself yet. Quickly access. Got it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so first I want to do is connect the iPad's pencil to it. And there's a little side. I wish I had my case right now. But there's a little like magnet right here. So cool. That's so cool. Look at that. Yo, that's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Use apps and home list. Create an instant note. I love YouTube. Okay. That's so cool. Tap it. Erase all of this. Guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. That was it for the unboxing of the Beats iPad and the Apple Pencil. Hope you all enjoy it. I apologize if I look ugly in this video and sweaty and dull, like I just woke up, and also the angle. Now if you guys want me to do a specific like tutorial or review on my iPad, please comment below what it is. Also give this video a big thumbs up in the face if you love Apple products, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also be updated by iPad videos you want to know more about it. Share this video for those who want to know from a real person how the iPad is, and I do recommend this already. And as you can tell, I keep holding my pencil because it's so cool. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, rate, comment, share, and all that fun stuff, and your girl's out. Bye. By the way guys, I'm also getting braces. That's why you see like rubber bands on my mouth, so RIP.